Okay, this is Windows 10 and let's talk about the problem related to not being able to find a file. So I captured an image, and in this program Fastun Image Viewer I saved that image to, let's say, the C drive. It's a PNG file. Click on save and voila, the file is clearly visible that it is stored on the C drive. Well, the problem is, if I open a File Explorer window and go to C drive, the PNG file is not there. Even if I go here to view and make sure this hidden items is checked, the file is not there. Even if I refresh it, it's not shown. So where is this file? And basically this file is not in this location on the C drive, but at a much longer path. So go to your C drive and go to your users folder, then enter your username. In this case is 123. Your username is shown here in the start menu, and 3 horizontal lines and 123. That's the username in this case. Okay, so enter the username, enter AppData. If AppData is not visible, then here at view check these hidden items. So enter AppData, enter local, and enter a folder called VirtualStore. Okay, and there is the image itself. So it's not on the C drive where this program says it is. It says location is the C drive, but it is at a longer path, which is that one, users local store VirtualStore. So if you cannot find your file at this path, search it at that path in the local, not local, but VirtualStore folder. And by the way, if I delete the file from here, delete, okay, disappeared from there also, so it's the same file. But if I go here to the desktop and undo delete, and yes, continue, allow it, then where it is, it's not in the VirtualStore, it's not restored there, but it is clearly in the C drive in this case. So it's a tricky situation.